Hey and welcome to Bikerheadz. This is the RUKKA Bingham glove. Okay, so the RUKKA Bingham glove. Two different colourways. You've got this beautiful retro dark brown colour and of course the classic black. We're going to talk about the brown one here. It's a full leather glove, so you've got full leather all up the back. If I spin it around, you've got a full leather palm again. Overlay on there, so you've got a suede material there, just a bit of extra grip, style, give you a bit of contrast as well, because it's all about the look of this glove as well as the function. It's giving you that retro feel. If I spin it back around to the back of the glove, you've got a hard knuckle coming across the knuckle area, so it's going to give you good protection. It's fully C approved, as you'd expect from anything RUKKA. It's a fully C approved glove. Lots of perforation running through the glove as well, but because of that perforation, you're going to get airflow straight through it. It's a non-waterproof product, built for the summer months to go perfectly with the Markham jacket, as you can see at bikerheadz.co.uk. Back to front, simple Velcro closure here. Lots of adjustment though. If you look at some of the cheaper gloves on the market, they'll put a little square of Velcro. You've got plenty of adjustments, so you can get it nice and tight if you're running it under a jacket. If you want to run it over the top, obviously you can, but this is a shorter glove, so it hasn't got a big cuff to overlap on a jacket anyway, so you should be okay with most jackets on the market. Nice embossed RUKKA logo on there, so it just looks beautiful, and a stretch panel for extra comfort on that hard knuckle. It's the RUKKA Bingham glove. If you want any more information on this glove, go to bikerheadz.co.uk, download our catalogue, or pick one up from your local dealer, and please like and subscribe below.